Hey everyone, Spencer from Verge Motorcycles in sunny England at our good friends English Electric Motor Company. We got one thing on our mind and we're going to do one thing today.
Change my tire.
Let's go!
Let's do it. Just casually riding through the shop. It's so cool with electric, right? There's no noise and like...
We're in the shop. We've got the TS Pro loaded up. As you can see here, normal jack, and we're all ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you the 3 steps that are needed to take off the rim. The tire will be done after by the actual professionals, but then we're going to give the dirty job to Mark with all the tools to show you how easy it is.
I think if I can do it, then basically anyone can do it because I'm not a mechanic, so I'll just go for it.
The tools that you're going to need, really, really simple. All this craziness. It's a T30 Torx, and then we've got an 8mm hex. So if you come in, first things we're going to do, we're going to take off these bolts here to push the license plate holder aside. Then we're going to come over to the swing arm, modular design. We only have to touch this side. 5 hex bolts which will come out. Then, the dirty bit, is we have to take off this ring of Torx screws, and then literally the rim's going to be ready for the tire change. So,
you can actually take this swing arm off. I get it. Now I understood it. Like,
yeah,
I thought we would have to take the, no, we don't even have to take the, yeah, that's so easy.
These are the little things you're going to run into.
I really didn't think it was modular like this. That's really cool, actually. It's crazy. Okay. I've never seen that before, that you can just take off the swing arm like that. That's just insane. Okay, so now we have all the bolts off. Now I can just... No way. Okay. So I basically have the swing arm now in my hand. It's quite light too. I didn't expect it to be that light. Well, I think most people expect it to be plastic. And I guess now I have to take all these bolts out here, right? Yeah.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah. Now, at the last, it already comes out. Okay.
Ooh, there you go.
Oh, that's actually quite exciting now. Ready? Oh. What? I can't believe it. Oh. It's actually, I mean, it's quite light. I mean, this is carbon fiber, so it wouldn't be heavy. Well, that's amazing.
So as you can see, my hands are nice and clean.
Well,
so how was that
mechanic.
as an experience? You know,
yeah.
Tell us how you feel.
Well, that was super easy. I can't believe how light this is. This is insane, really. It's like basically nothing. Yep. Like just the tire, basically. That weighs basically nothing.
Yeah, that's the benefits of carbon fiber. That's why we've chosen carbon fibers to keep that weight down.
Yeah.
And now what you can see is just what the donut motor really is.
Yeah. It's crazy. You don't have to touch anything else to just do one thing. You know, like with many bikes, it's like that. You have to take everything off to do one thing. Yeah. But with this, is actually quite cool.
So, next step.
Now we just have to
change the rubber. Yeah. I'm not qualified enough for that.
Yeah, I'm not qualified enough.
So we need the help of a local professional. Yeah. Luckily, we're in the right space. We've swapped out Mark with Nathan. We've all been waiting for it. You've seen how we've taken it off. Super simple. Hope that answers any questions, but if not, drop them in the comments below. But now, it's time to change the rubber. So after you, sir.
Thank you.
Is there anything different you're doing with this, Nate? Is it like, obviously there's a carbon rim, so it's a little bit different to having alloy or anything else?
No different, it's just going to be a bit more careful.
Yeah. Oh, that makes sense. Hoping it's going to be enough to get it off.
Alright, now comes the fun bit, because this is going to be really tight on there.
Why are you using the tape?
Just to protect the rim. So we've got to do it again as yet.
Boom. Easy. Oh, cool. It's off. So this is what a carbon rim looks like. Very dirty because of all the miles. So now it's time for some fresh rubber.
We are lubing it to the kingdom come.
Snap it in, bop. There you go. Lessons learned.
Plenty of lube. And plenty of tape.
Hey, but we're all on. So wipe off the lube, and then it's over to Mark. So we do the same as what we did earlier, just in reverse. Got to line up the valve.
Yeah.
So the valve is here.
Well, that was pretty easy. You only need one drop, that is enough. Basically on now. Now I just have to do the whole thing again. And these go on with 11 Newton meter and the bolts here with 50 Newton meter. So we have to make sure we do that right. Good. Simple. Yeah,
I think this is the next bit, the boomerang.
Spencer, you could have cleaned it. But yeah, just didn't, right?
As you were doing that, I went off to clean my hands.
Do it like so. Now people know I can hold a wrench. And you know what I like? That this is all like metal stuff.
We're done.
I think we're done, yeah. Like, I mean, it shouldn't be any different, right? Now it's just new rubber, and then it's cool.
Yeah. So the initial steps in reverse, torqued up as well using our big old torque wrenches and a small one.
Yeah.
But yeah, overall, from your first experience of having this TS Pro in for a service.
Well, yeah, I mean, like the only thing that was a bit scary was the carbon fiber, but I was actually surprised that it actually didn't really leave a mark or nothing, so that's quite good. And you have to be careful with any rim when they're painted, like it's always a little bit difficult. So, but it was super easy, like I could do that for sure. Well, I couldn't take the tire off, but I could take the wheel out, which is actually cool when even when you're stranded on the side of the road somewhere, like you can actually put that out easier than I would say probably a normal bike wheel. And it's not as complicated as people think. That I think that's the main point, right? Like everybody thinks like it's rocket science, but it's like super easy. Like
so there we have it. Yeah. The moment that thousands of people have been waiting for on our social media. The very dirty, grotty, no sort of filters or anything like that. That is how you change the tire with Marc Travels. For you guys, you've asked for it. So here it is with thanks out, big shout out to English Electric Motor Company, Alec and Nathan for inviting us along and letting us use their equipment. So it's just to put you back on the road now with fresh tires.
Oh, I'm good to go again now. I hope I can do another 5,000 or 6,000 miles on it. It would be actually okay, yeah.
Fantastic.
Right. Okay.
See you, man.
Bye, guys.
There it is. Mark's on his way with fresh rubber on his Verge TS Pro. We've shown you all the little bits and information about changing the tire. The guys at EEMC have done a great job. English Electric Motor Company, check them out. So yeah, I hope that answers all your questions, and we'll see you in the next video.